today we're going on a catamaran. We did it at 8 to 1 o'clock. I'm so excited. We're going to be out in the ocean and it's going to be fabulous.
We're right at the front of the boat. So we got our shave ice after a beautiful day of snorkeling on the water, and it was such a nice day. This is the best shave ice we've had. It's JoJo's in Waimea. There's turtles here. We're at Poipu Beach. Our first beach day. Hey guys, so I thought I'd do an update. Today was a beach day. We had so much fun last night in the beach called Poipu. Where we are staying is called Ka'apa, and Poipu is about like a 30 to 40 minute drive away. We went there last night for sunset and it was incredible. I saw a Hawaiian monk seal on the beach. I saw a blue Hawaiian tortoise, sea turtle kind of thing, and they're big. Again today we went back and we had a nice time at the beach. The ocean was a little rough, but I got to see 2 turtles again today. They came up onto the beach. It's such a special place, and Mom and I really like that area. But yeah, and I don't think I mentioned, but yesterday we did our huge 5-hour boat adventure extravaganza, and it was incredible. We saw the beautiful coastline. I think it's like Nepali coast. It's just absolutely stunning. The cliffs, the dramatic scenery. I recommend it 100%. We saw a lot of helicopters, and I debated doing a helicopter tour or a boat tour, and in the end went for a boat tour, and I think that it's just as good as the helicopter. Like, obviously the helicopter goes into the canyons and stuff that you see, but you see it just as fine in the boat. So I think if you're thinking about doing the helicopter, it is really expensive and you're only really in the air for like 25 minutes. But the boat ride, you're immersed, and it's more of like a day's adventure because it's 5 hours. And we had a nice lunch, we got to snorkel, so it's a little bit more bang for your dollar. That's kind of my advice. So I went with Makana Loki Tours, and I highly recommend them. They support local entrepreneurs, so it's so nice. And tonight, the big night. Woohoo! We're going to the luau, our very first luau, and Mother's bucket list item.
Since I was a little girl.
She's always wanted to go to a luau.
When I used to watch Hawaii 5-0, I used to see them on TV, and I was just this little on the reserve little girl, poor, never thought I'd do it, and I'm so proud that I did with my girl. I don't know why I'm getting emotional, but I think it's just really moving that you can dream even no matter where you come from and accomplish anything you want if you believe. Yeah.
What a beautiful message. I'm so happy to be there with her tonight. We're going to Smith's Luau, which was also recommended to us. We're gonna go have lunch, we're gonna get ready, get a little dolled up, and we're gonna go to our first ever luau. So we're here for our luau. We're so excited. I got a little dressed up. There's Mom. And we're just coming in now for the welcome greeting. It's a whole agenda that we have planned for us today. So
starting at 4:30.
Lots to film. It's only 4:45. Hi. Yay.
Chicken down.
Whoa, my God.
Oh. Incredible.
Getting our lei. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, beautiful.
Look at. Love it.
Mahalo. We'd like to welcome all of you to the Smith's Tropical Paradise. We'll be taking a short 10-minute ride around our 30-acre garden.
Oh my God! Oh, it's a peacock. Peacock.
After the tram ride is over, you'll have time to walk around the property, okay? We have tilapia, we have mullet, and we do have shellfishes. They're called the Samoan crab. Coming up shortly, just ahead to the right.
So we have an agenda. We finished our sightseeing tram ride, and now we have a wander around the garden to do, and then cocktails start at 6.
So lava rock on top of firewood. Now, the pig is not going to look like this when you go up there to the buffet line tonight. So knowing that when we're done here, if you'd like to get pictures of the pig in its current state, you'll be able to do that.
Trying to get video of everything. This is Chinese fried rice.
Oh, I could have put the pole in the top. Darn it, I put it on my plate.
so great. It was just a lovely experience. 10 out of 10. 2 thumbs up. Thank you. I'm so glad I came. Thanks.
We made it to the North Shore. We have the next 2 nights here in the North Shore, and we're just doing a drive up the beautiful scenic area. Everything's so lush and beautiful, and now we just stopped to go look at a beach really quick. So lovely to be here. It's a really pretty beach with a freshwater river and then the ocean, but the waves here are insane. They are scary high waves, and there's no way you'd ever want to get near those types of waves.
So beautiful here. I would recommend to visit this portion of the island. It's different scenery. It's all on one island, but it almost seems like it's different. I'm so glad I'm here. Mahala.
Mahalo.
Mahalo.
Oh, I missed it. With the wipers.
So pretty here this side too. There's a farmer's market.
Yeah, that's me. You have to have shave ice here anywhere in Kauai, and this is just awesome. So I always get a different mix of flavors: cherry, lime, and raspberry today. They spelled my name right.